Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty, and today we're going to do a recipe. I'm going to show you how I make Chinese food at home. This is not like a from scratch recipe. This is what I would call a semi-homemade, and I'm making, what am I making? I'm making tempura chicken. I think of it as orange chicken, but they call it tempura chicken. So this is the bag, and I just get it in Trader Joe. I'm also going to make a couple of these because they're super good. I'm going to cook this stuff with the assistance of both my Instant Pot over here and air fryer, and I'll show you how I do it. I like cooking these items using those appliances because I don't have to think about what I'm doing. It's quick, it's easy, and nothing burns. When I cook it on the stove, I have to really babysit it. But if you would like to see a stovetop version of this recipe, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see if I can hook you up with that. In any case, like today's video and subscribe to the channel. I have Instant Pot and air fryer recipes coming like crazy, as well as knitting and gardening content. So I know you don't want to miss that. In addition to the Trader Joe items, which I purchased myself at the grocery store, I'm going to be adding in some of this orange marmalade. And this was sent to me from Grandma Hoerner's. Grandma Hoerner's sends me different things from time to time to try out, and so today I'm adding this orange marmalade to the orange sauce that came with the chicken. And for topping, I'm using these. I also purchased this myself, and I will give you a full list of everything in the down bar. So, okay, let's get started. I always start with the rice because that takes the longest to cook of this recipe, and I just use the rice function on my Instant Pot. It's a 10-minute cook time, so by the time it comes up to pressure and does everything it needs to do, it's about 15 minutes. So I go ahead and start that. Once the cook time starts on the rice, I will get the chicken going, and you're gonna love how easy this is. I cut open the bag of the chicken, and inside it comes with this sauce pack. I always run that under the sink. It cleans it off and it warms it up a little bit. And then your chicken is in here, and all I do is put it right into the pan for the air fryer. Your instructions read that you want to, if you do it in the oven, you cook it at 400 for 15 to 18 minutes. So what I would do is set the air fryer at 400, and then I would set the cook time for, I would say 12 minutes. I generally do like a 2/3 of the cook time when I cook in air fryer because it's a convection heat and it cooks pretty fast. So I'm going to take my spray bottle. This is peanut oil. I'm going to do just a very light mist of some peanut oil, and we're going to start frying the chicken. That's seriously it. Shake it around. I try to get it as evenly spaced out as possible. It cooks a lot better if you just pile everything up. It does not cook well. So even though I want like a 12 or a 13-minute cook time, I set it for 10 minutes. I'm going to open it up at 10 minutes. I'm going to give it a shake and check on it, and then do the remainder of the cook time. When I get to about the 5-minute mark on that, I'm going to pop a couple of these in there as well. These are the vegetable bird's nest. They're so good. But they're not going to take as long to cook as the chicken pieces because they're flatter and they're a little more delicate. So we'll just put those in a few minutes. Okay, so here's your, this is your sauce packet, and I'm just going to cut it open. It's like an orange sauce. The thing that I find with this particular, they call it tempura chicken, I always think of it as orange chicken, there's just not enough sauce, which is why I wanted to add the marmalade. I just thought that would be really good. The trick for opening canned items is you just tap on them and they open right up. Like magic. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, so I'm not gonna measure this. I'm just gonna do like, it's probably a good 2/3 cup. This is really pretty marmalade. I mean, it is just full of orange pieces. It's gorgeous. Put that on the small burner and put it on like a medium heat so that it will just, what we're trying to do is we're just trying to melt it and bring it up to a low simmer. And that should be ready by the time the chicken's ready. Technically, you should not be cooking on your stove while you're doing your air fryer, but I don't really have any other space in here, and for purposes of the video, this is the only way I can do it. It's just me. I'm on my phone. This is what I have. So, you know, yeah, this is what we do the best we can. Okay, so while we've been talking, the rice is now into its cook time. It's at that 10-minute cook time. My chicken pieces are about 6 minutes in, and we've got our sauce simmering. So I'm gonna open up the other part. Okay, so literally this is like 7 minutes cook time, and I have 4 minutes left on my rice. Now 3 minutes, so I'm going to let the rice just do a slow release until the chicken's ready. And I'll check back in with you. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So here's the finished dish. It looks so good. I love the Instant Pot rice. It's like perfect sticky rice. Let's try the chicken. It's so good because it's crispy and light. It's exactly what you want. Here's how the vegetable bird's nest came out. They come with a soy sauce. They're delicious. Okay, that's how I make orange chicken and a side of vegetable bird's nest here at home. It's so easy with the Instant Pot air fryer combination. I love this combination for cooking. I cannot say enough good about it. I highly recommend it. And give this little recipe a try and let me know what you think. And I will see you next time. Happy cooking.